Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to see watch history on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom of your screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner. Now from the menu, go to Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down, and look for Watch History under the Content and Activity section. Once you find it, tap on it. And you will see your watch history on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to see watch history on TikTok. If you like our video then, don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.